Okay, Ethan got a huge box from Ben. Oh, thank you so much, Ben, for sending us an awesome Jurassic Ben box. So I read Ethan the email, so now he's super excited. Oh my God, Ethan, you're so strong.
Yeah.
Wow, look at you. Okay. Okay, you're gonna unbox it and you're gonna show us, okay?
Yeah, I'm like a beast. What is
It
this?
says happy late birthday, Ethan. Okay, Ethan's gonna open it. Let's see what it is.
Star Wars.
Is it Star Wars?
Wait.
What is
Oh,
it?
look. It's Funko Pop.
Is it a Funko Pop?
See?
What? It's like a Star Wars, Ethan. You were right. Let's see what's on the other side. Lego Star Wars. Holy cow.
This is the toy of it.
Yeah, oh my gosh. More stuff for your wall, Ethan.
Yeah. Okay, small little beanie.
That's super cute.
It's Ernie.
It's Ernie. How do you know his name?
I don't know.
Let me see what his name is. Ernie. Looks like Dumbo. No?
Yes, Dumbo. It's
Is it?
Dumbo. Because this is Dumbo.
Okay, that's a cute little Dumbo.
Like
It's
this.
a Zoom Zoom.
Oh, did you know there's light pink sheets
Yeah? Oh, that's cute.
inside the big yellow bag?
Yep, we got a... He went to LA Comic Con. I didn't get to go. We didn't get to go.
What the?
Last year we went, but this year we didn't make it.
Wow.
Hey, be careful with everything.
Whoa,
Wow, what is it?
a box.
Oh, it's a box.
If I get this box, I want the wolf.
You're the wolf? Okay, let's find out if you get the wolf or not.
Yeah. It feels like I got this guy.
Oh, wow. Ethan got that guy.
I wanted this guy too.
You wanted that guy too?
Yeah, I got the one I wanted.
Woohoo! Look at Ethan.
Eat the bobblehead.
Oh, yeah, he is. You want to sit down or you want to stand up?
Stand up.
Okay.
Another one?
Another one. You better open it. See what's inside it.
Yeah. 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 Do. Oh, I got this guy, Wolverine.
Is it Wolverine? Are you sure it's Wolverine? I don't think it's Wolverine.
I think it's a different style of him.
You think so?
Okay, look, he has the red cape.
Oh, is that how you know it's Wolverine? Okay. Comment down below. I don't know if it's Wolverine.
Another one.
Holy cow, Ethan. How many do
it's
you
open
have?
from the bottom.
Oh. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh.
The Hulk. It's Hulk with armor.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is. How did you know?
Because I saw the head.
Oh.
Hulk.
Okay, put it on the side. Man, Ethan's got a lot of stuff today. But Ethan's had a long day.
Wait, what is this?
Ethan is speechless.
Just read it.
Wow, what do you say to Ben?
Thank you, Ben.
Oh, wow.
What's this?
This is for Karen, it says. See? Karen. Maybe this one's for Ethan, too.
Oh, another dinosaur.
Oh, my God. Open it.
It's the same one.
What?
Look, same one.
Oh, yeah. Exact same one.
But
Wait, let me see. Maybe it's for somebody else. Let me see. Maybe it's for... This is for Ethan from Ben.
it's one
They-
for me.
Ethan got 2 of them? What is he gonna do?
Wait, what is this?
Is there another one?
Wait, it's in a wrapper.
Wait, let's see.
It's a shirt.
The shirt, what kind of shirt is it? Let's see. Oh,
Minion!
Minion Games. Oh
Because-
my gosh.
Thanks for this because we just went to Universal.
Yeah, and Minion was your favorite ride.
Yep.
Holy cow. Look at that.
Ding, 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 Minion dance. Wait, is this for me?
It says, hello, Karen and Joy. Oh, it's for Karen.
Yay!
Yay, for Mommy. Okay, let's do yours first, okay?
Yeah.
Let's see. For Ethan Finds Out. Huh. What is it? Is it a Christmas card? What is it? Can you read it for us? Oh, that's so cute.
Like this is you and this is me
Uh-huh. See?
because I have the red jacket.
Oh, yeah, that's true. It says Happy Holidays. That is so cute.
Look.
Look at that. It's a pop-up. Oh, let's read the back. Hold on. It says, good job when Ethan finds out. Praying next year you hit 6K for 2018. Thank you. Hopefully, we don't know. That's hard to say.
Another 2 boxes in a box.
Oh my god, more popcorns in there. It says howdy, ha ha ha. Must be for Ethan then, because it says howdy. Okay, let's open it. And see
If it's
what's
a
inside.
toy, then it's mine.
Yeah, if it's a toy, it's definitely yours. Because I'm too old to play with toys, huh?
Yeah.
Do you think Funko Pops are toy?
No,
What
they're
are-
just bobbleheads. They
Oh.
just bobble their head like.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's for Mommy.
Yep. It's
But maybe
you.
it's for Ethan because it's Woody. It looks like Woody.
No, it's toys.
Oh, wow. Funko Pops.
Funko
Let's see.
Pop.
Look at that. It's the BB9E.
Look.
And Woody.
The glow up Woody.
Oh my gosh.
And
Yeah.
another thing.
Oh yeah, turn this way so I can see. Oh my gosh. More Funko Pops and Dorms.
Wait, I have a question.
Do you know who is that?
I have a question.
What?
Is that his belly or is that just his shirt?
I think it's his Billy. He has tattoos, Ethan.
Ew.
Do you want tattoos?
Ew.
Do you like tattoos? Huh?
Hmm.
Uh-oh.
What?
Is it candy?
Erasers?
Erasers, that's what you need.
Oh, this.
Oh, look at... What name is that, Ethan?
Karen.
It took him a while to say it. Karen. Oh, wow. It says,
Kenny.
it has your name on it, Ethan. Look at the bag. Look at the bag.
Ah!
Candies for Ethan. Candies for days.
Hooray! Oh, wait, more.
Oh, more candy.
It fell out the bag.
Yeah, let's look in the bag.
Oh,
Let's look.
let's put it down there.
What else is in the bag? Let's see. And we got... Ooh, that's cute.
Wait, what is this?
Ta-da!
Wait, what is this?
I don't know. Open it and find out.
I wonder what it is.
Ooh, look. It's a little pin for our pin collection.
Mommy,
We got a little unicorn one. Well, My Little Pony, that is. And a Spider-Man. And a Lilo and Stitch. And My Little Pony.
Wait,
Yeah, Ethan.
I opened.
Oh, you can't open it? Hold on.
Wait, I
And
got-
this is a tattoo. Oh man, a tattoo of the Minion. That's what Ethan needs.
getting a jawbreaker.
Oh my gosh. Are you able to stick that whole thing in your mouth?
No, no, it's just for licking.
Just for licking.
You have to lick it for 17 days.
How do you know 17? Who told you 17?
No, because I watched Ryan eat it.
Oh, you watched Ryan's review and that's what he did?
Yeah.
17 days it took him?
Yeah. Like, if you have to lick it the whole day with 17 days. And it's
Wow.
already done.
Yeah? You want to take the challenge?
Look, it's so heavy that it rolls so fast. It went down so fast.
Okay, put it back in the bag so it doesn't get dirty, okay? So we can lick it for 17 days. Okay, what is it?
Funko Pops.
Oh my gosh, look.
Wait, the movie that we want to watch.
Oh my gosh, it is.
Coco.
Coco, Ethan knows. Oh, that is so cute. We just saw that like 2 days ago. Cutest movie ever. And I bet it is very, very popular in Mexico because
It's a Hulk.
it's a Hulk. Oh my gosh. Let's pull it out. Oh, wow. It's just like the little mini one, huh?
No, but it's not the same.
It's not the same?
Look, watch.
What?
What is it?
I have not seen this guy
Look.
anywhere here.
Wait, look. See, this is the same.
Oh, they're almost like the same mouth,
But no armor.
but no armor.
Well, and not a hammer. It's an axe.
This is from Thor. What is this? Oh, wow. It says Holiday Countdown Calendar.
That has these.
Yeah, so then you'll know how many
I
more
know.
days until
No.
Christmas.
No, it's every day, every time you open them, and it has one of these or a
Yeah,
card.
it says 24 milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate?
Yup. Okay, we can open this. Let's finish on unboxing first, okay? And what else is in there?
A snowman.
Oh, a snowman and a Santa Claus.
I like snowman.
Oh man, we can put it on a Christmas tree.
Wait, it's shiny.
Yeah, it has glitter on it. See, watch.
Wait, what is this? What is this? What is
You
this?
do this, and then look. You open this, then you can hang it on the tree.
But this one doesn't.
Yeah, I have it.
Wait,
You pull it up.
Pull it.
Ta-da! We're gonna put it on our tree.
Oh, we have to take these things
Yeah, that's
off.
just a price tag thingy. You can take that off.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Put it together. Okay, and what is this?
Wait, what?
This is to Karen. What is this? It's a cherry lollipop, huh? Oh, it's a lip gloss. This lipstick.
For you.
Yeah, you want to wear lipstick? How come? Does boys
Wait,
wear
what is
lipstick?
that? What is that?
What is this? I
What?
don't know. It says, shock your buds. Moon crater candy.
Shock? Buds?
Shock your buds. Maybe it shocks you.
Um,
It says freeze-dried ice cream. That is strange. I've never seen something like that before.
that, like,
That is too strange.
like, it shocks at your mouth, like,
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Ooh.
oh, a skull. Look, this is what it does.
How do you know what it does?
It lights up when you
How do you know?
Because you press right there.
How did you know that?
Because we have the happy faces one.
Oh, Ethan, you are so smart.
Bag.
Is it a pink bag? Are you sure it's a bag?
Yeah? It's a bag.
Oh my god.
Wait a minute.
It's a superhero.
Cape.
It's a T-Mobile superhero.
Cape.
It's a cape. Pull it off. Ta-da!
For you.
Holy cow, Ethan. Guess what mommy's gonna be for next Halloween?
A cape for you.
Superhero, a pink superhero. Ta-da!
A Hello Kitty.
Holy cow! How does he keep getting these so huge Hello Kitties?
Look at the bottom.
I'm too excited. Oh my god.
gold.
Wow.
Did you know this is real gold?
Yeah, is it?
Gold.
Oh my gosh.
It's gold that
That's
has
so
glitter.
cute.
Look, this is gold that has glitter, and it feels weird.
Yeah. This is super cute. Oh my gosh.
What's in here?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Is it just the wrapper?
No, it's in the wrapper.
Oh. Yeah, huh? We got to open that one.
Wait.
What?
Oh man,
Oh no.
it broke.
Oh no, it broke, Ben. Oh, don't touch it. It's gonna. Don't touch it. I don't want you to cut yourself, Ethan. Oh no, it broke. It's such a pretty bowl too. I really wanted a bowl this big. I've actually been looking for a bowl this big so I can drink coffee in it, but they were always so expensive. Oh no, it broke.
It was so expensive that.
Don't touch it. I don't want you to
Mommy,
hurt your hand.
I think I know why.
Why?
Because the car was shaking and it must have moved and it cracked.
Yeah,
Because
probably.
it hit the side of the the side of the block. It's like
Uh-oh, it fell right here on the bed. Don't move. I don't want you to hurt yourself, okay?
it like banged the box like
Yeah.
and it
Okay.
broke.
Oh no, Ben, it broke. That's Ethan's cry. Well, we have one broken item, but everything else came in perfect condition. So thank you so much. And then Ethan's gonna open this as soon as we're done. Okay, what's your favorite item, Ethan?
The Velociraptor.
Yeah!
Now
Look at that.
All we have to do is take out the tag.
All we gotta do is take out the tag and we're good to play with it, huh?
I want to take it out.
And my favorite item is going to be, ta-da! Hello Kitty! That's such a given.
Thank you, Ben, for sending this awesome box and for being a good friend.
Yay!
Thanks for watching this video and please like and subscribe.
Wow, Ethan. Alright, so thank you guys all so much for watching. Thank you, Ben, for the awesome gift box. Ethan was super excited. Actually, crazy story. We went to the post office, and as we were walking into the post office, what happened, Ethan? Some guy was backing up. They did not see us. They almost killed us, huh? Everybody was waving at him like, stop, stop. But he just kept going, and we were literally behind him. We had to run for our safety.
I was like running for my
I know, and he still kept going backwards. He kept hitting reverse.
Look, this is us, and this is the car.
I know, we were running for our lives. It was crazy, and everybody was yelling at him, and he finally stopped the car like inches away from us. But anyways, that's the story of that. But we were so excited to go to get the box because we knew that there was going to be a box for us because he had mentioned it to us already. So Ethan was super excited. We had to go to the ER this morning.
But this is sad.
Yep. But the broken glass is pretty sad. Oh, Ethan, I don't want you to hurt your hand, please. But yeah, we went to the ER this morning because Ethan fell yesterday and bumped his head. And we had to go and check his head.
All night I threw up.
And all night Ethan threw up and all morning. But now that he has his box, he's so excited.
And I'm feeling
A lot better? Yeah. And Ethan ate his medicine, so now he's a lot better. So yeah, so thank you guys all so much for listening to my rant. But we're just so excited to get this box. And yeah, hopefully you guys continue to support us. Don't forget about our 4,000 subscriber giveaway video. Go and check that out. Participate if you haven't. And don't forget to follow all the rules. I've noticed that there's a lot of people that did not follow the rules. So if there's no heart after your comment, then that means that you guys did not follow the rules. Alright, so thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
17 days.